Welcome to this tutorial on setting up direct deposit to your Varo checking account. Direct deposit is a convenient and secure way to receive your paycheck, government benefits, or other regular payments directly into your Varo account. To get started, you will need to gather some information, including your Varo account number and the routing number for Varo Bank. The routing number for Varo Bank is 124,303,201. You can find your account number by logging into your Varo mobile app or by looking at a check or deposit slip. Next, you will need to provide this information to your employer or the organization that will be making the direct deposit payments. They may require you to fill out a direct deposit form, which will ask for your account number and routing number. Be sure to double check that you have entered the correct information to avoid any delays or issues with your direct deposit. Once you have provided the necessary information to your employer or the organization making the payments, they will take care of the rest. It may take 1 to 2 pay cycles for the direct deposit to take effect. So be patient and continue to monitor your account to ensure that the payments are being deposited correctly. It is also important to note that you can set up direct deposit for multiple sources of income, such as your paycheck and government benefits. You can also split your direct deposit between multiple accounts, if needed. In addition to providing a convenient way to receive payments, direct deposit with Varo also offers other benefits, such as early access to your paycheck. With Varo, you can get paid up to 2 days early, which can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overdraft fees. To confirm that your direct deposit has been set up correctly, you can log into your Varo mobile app and check your account activity. You can also set up notifications to alert you when a direct deposit has been made to your account. By following these steps, you can easily set up direct deposit to your Varo checking account and start enjoying the benefits of convenient and secure payments. Remember to always double check your account information and to monitor your account activity to ensure that your direct deposit is working correctly.